Just 11 o'clock and it has started getting really hot. Let's go to Malecon. We are trying to do some different thing. Instead of taking Uber or a cab, we are going to take the public transport to Malecon. It's better and you will get the local experience. So you can see the traffic and honking, everything is like India. It's pretty much the same. And I hope it's gonna be a great experience. Finally I got my ride to Centro and I have the exact feel like in India. Got down from the bus and we are starting our walk towards Malecon. So that's where the Malecon starts. So this is the whole Malecon strip. So many statues actually, and this is the main square. I'm liking this. You should visit this city once. If you are in US and have visa, especially in the California, do visit this place. It's amazing. It's safe. Place is very crowded actually, and people are not letting other take the pictures. So hola.
Tequila. Take a picture.
This is an open theater with 4 arches, and that's one of the famous tourist place here. So I'm going to visit church which is right in front of us. That's the church of Lady Guadalupe. Shops, souvenir shops, and this sort of reminds me of Goa again, because I feel like I'm in some small lanes of Panjim. The street right across the church. So I think this walkway from here that takes us to Zona Romantica, which which is in English romantic zone. It reminds me of the Kiss statue in San Diego, but that's way bigger than this one. Some local artists native to this part of Mexico. They are presenting their skills. So this place seems to be very safe, guys. I mean, it's very crowded, full of local plus people from all over the US, and it's just that a lot of folks will try to approach you for so many things to buy, but you just need to say no, no, and just keep moving. So we are just entering into this flea market. It reminds me of the markets in Panjim, Goa. And they have so many things. I'm confused which one to buy because so many options around here. So this is the river. It goes and gets into the Pacific Ocean on the other side. And on this island they have this small flea market. After spending a couple of hours at Malecon, we are now heading back towards our resort. It's been a very hot, so we are tired, and now we're gonna go back for our lunch at resort. We'll still try to go with the bus. Let's see where we can find the bus. So the getting bus was tough, so we are taking the cab. We are heading back towards the resort, and this was the Malecon Arcos. So I'm exploring their another restaurant, La Cevicheria, and that's the view right there. Here we are sitting.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
¿Algo de tomar, amigo?
Sí,
It's a mango.
pina colada, margarita. These are empanadas, seafood empanadas, and these are fish tacos. We ordered fish tacos, taco de pescado, yucateco, chile. Welcome back again. I'm going for a quick walk in the afternoon tea time. Just let's go to the beach. It's pretty hot out here right now. And so this is their private beach of the resort. Now almost every resort has their own beach. And this is my resort. It's beautiful. I'm going to have some drink. There are so many bars. Let's see. Bar right in front of the pool. Cheers. Today's evening is a little bit cloudy, so we are not going to get the exact sunset, but I hope the colors will be same as yesterday. Look at this local artist paintings here. They are so beautiful. Yeah, so how do you do this, like with
All finger, and we use a fake fingernail to make the fine detailing.
Oh wow, they're so amazingly beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, if you visit Fiesta Americana, you visit this guy. He is amazing.
All right, we'll wait for you guys.
Sure, thank you. Seems like some event.
Tutlapaloli, in wake tata, ompa, niluikan, nikan, in tlaktikpak, lasokamati, in wake tata, shipetotek, tutlapaloli, in apoposhkomi kopali, tutlapaloli in apoposhkomi kopali, wan sosona pangwewet, in sosona atekokolzin, in sosona atekokoli, no way! Itlatzingo, in Yowali Hekat, in Nanatsin Mestli, Tlazokamati.
Suavime, chicas. Muchas gracias a este grupo que ora con sus pies.
After having a wonderful day, we are going to have a dinner. It's an Asian restaurant. Let's see how that restaurant is. Just getting our dinner ready.
You ready for food?
Yeah. Soup. This is tempura. Fried rice.
This place hot, okay?
Yeah.
All the hot. Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Yes. Pad Thai, shrimp Pad Thai.
Shrimp pad thai.
Ladies, very hammy meal. Be careful.
Yeah. Buenos dias, amigos. Buenos dias, Puerto Vallarta. So I'm in day 3. Let's go and grab some breakfast into the same place where we had the breakfast yesterday, which is, I'm not sure if they have different menus every day. Let's see what is there in today's menu. Beans, chicken, So I have taken mole poblano sauce, which is here, eating it after a long time, and then these are fried bananas, which is a specialty of Caribbean, especially Jamaica. So I changed my plan. So initially we thought of spending time at resort, but we still have another entire day and half. Why to spend that time on the resort, rather explore some other part of the city. So we are going to the second part of the downtown, which is Zona Romantica, a romantic zone. Instead of using the public transport, we are going with Uber. So now we're gonna have our third transportation. Yesterday we used the local transport bus, then we used the taxi, and now we're gonna use the Uber. It's pretty cheap actually compared to taxi. Taxi we paid like almost 150 pesos, and Uber was showing like 120.